Hello and welcome to another Out of Spec video. We've had a reservation for a Lucid Air since last year, and we finally got that phone call to go see the car, experience the car, drive the car. So why don't you join us? Alrighty, now we get going. The Lucid studio that we're actually about to go to, it's in Millbrae. We had two options, one in San Jose and the other one in Millbrae, which is actually south of San Francisco, really close to the airport. So it should be like a 35-40 minute drive. We're gonna have some traffic as Alright, so we made it. Ooh, look at that one. I think that's the one we're gonna drive, the burgundy. They gave me the option white or burgundy, and I chose burgundy. Let's go inside. They're clearly proud of that. Thank you. Hi. So unfortunately, we showed up to the Lucid studio. We were talking to the receptionist, very nice lady. We asked them if we were able to record the whole experience. This gentleman went to ask the manager, and unfortunately they said no. We just recorded, but we removed the audio. The experience was great. We went over the whole setting up the steering wheel, setting up the mirrors, because we have plenty of experience with electric vehicles. It didn't take us that long. Lately, due to the coronavirus, every time we test drive a vehicle, it's been nice and smooth because we actually just get the keys for the vehicle and we drive it, and we do it at our own pace. In my opinion, it's better, but I understand that the company is worried about people taking care of their vehicles. This was a production vehicle and I didn't see any flaws. The vehicle was perfect. Nothing compared to the car that we saw the first time last year. It was a pre-production car. It had a lot of issues. The weather stripping was loose. There was a lot of panel gaps. This car is at Lucid Studio because a customer changed his mind and he decided not to buy the car, which at the end of the day actually worked out for them. They're actually happy that they get to have another car so that people can experience it and people can drive it. At this point, I will keep my reservation mostly because we locked in the price. However, I don't know if I would be taking delivery of this car. I like what I see. It has storage everywhere, plenty of space in the backseat, and we are tall people. I'm 5'11", my boyfriend is 6'1", and we were fitting perfectly fine. Software is kind of lacking, and it's not really a fair comparison, especially because it can be updated and upgraded over the year and over time. However, right now, I didn't quite love what I saw. Like, there is a lot of room for improvement. We have amazing products. It's very exciting to be in this market, especially for electric vehicles. A lot of cool updates, over-the-air updates. It's just, you know, Tesla made this happen, which is awesome. Now, as consumers, we'll win. We're getting better products and we get to experience a newer vehicle every time we get an update. So that was incredible. Thank you to the people of Lucid. They were so nice. I wish I could have recorded the whole thing, but I understand There is some things that they want to keep it for themselves, but they were amazing. I'm very impressed by the customer service. The actual test drive lasted like 35-40 minutes. We drove on freeway, we drove on street. We were not able to launch it, unfortunately. We were not even given that option. We were just driving at normal speeds, following regulations. I would have loved to actually launch it to compare that speed from like a Tesla Model 3 Performance, which is the only thing that I've experienced. I have not experienced a Plaid, unfortunately, but I would have loved to see that. I drive my Taycan also, so I would have loved to compare that. Even though my Taycan is the rear-wheel drive, meaning that it's not fast by all means, I would have loved to experience that. We'll see what happens. I'll still keep my reservation. It's a great price, it's locked in. I had another conversation with the Lucid employees. I asked for like, okay, do you guys think the Lucid touring is gonna happen this year at all? They are still saying that they're still aiming for Q3 or Q4. I find that very unlikely, but who am I to judge? This is incredible. The amount of space in this car is just insane. Quantum gray. That was it. Beautiful, nice, amazing cars. Got my shirt to replace this one. Hey, so it's actually been a few days after that Lucid experience and the whole test drive, and I really wanted to take my time and process my thoughts and give you some of my feedback about the Lucid Air coming as a Taycan owner. So as much as I like the car, I really don't see myself trading in this Taycan for that, mainly because this car is sportier. It looks better. It's a Porsche. Lucid Air is gonna get a lot of customers. It's gonna capture a lot of people, but mostly Mercedes S-Class customers. I'm not a Mercedes S-Class customer. I actually like sporty cars, and I like to be in control of my steering wheel, and I really like how sporty the suspension feels like. The Lucid Air drives like a dream. It's very soft and it's very comfortable. But for now, I'm not looking for comfort. I'm actually looking for more fun and better software. And because this car doesn't have the best software already, and I'm okay with that. At least I have CarPlay. At least for now, I'm okay with my purchase. And yeah, the only car that I actually see myself trading in for the Taycan is actually a Rivian, but that's not gonna happen anytime soon. I hope that you guys enjoy this content. We'll be creating more videos with the Taycan, and actually I got a new EV, two new EVs this last week, and we're gonna be creating more content. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.